Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to use layering feature in GetStencil. Layering in GetStencil allow you to organize different elements of a design such as text, image, icon or background, so you can control the order in which they appear. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to getstencil.com and log in to your account. Now create a new design, or you can also open an existing design from your dashboard. Now start by adding background, text, photos, icon or shapes as your liking. Now click on the element. I have uploaded the image here. You can see that the image is covering the text. Now to use the layering option, select the image you want to layer. After that, click on Move Back option. Here you can see that the image is at the background from the text. To bring the image forward, you can select the image and click on Move Forward option. So that is how you can use layering feature. By using this layering technique, you can create visually engaging and well-organized designs in GetStencil. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.